Is your Mustang's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprit is the hood latch switch. It acts as a security sensor and is prone to triggering false alarms due to dirt, rust, or misalignment. Start by inspecting the hood latch. Check for any visible corrosion or debris, then clean and realign if necessary. Another common issue is the door ajar sensors located in the door jambs. They can malfunction from wiring issues or switch failure, sending false door open signals. For door sensors, ensure they are clean and functioning correctly. A multimeter can be used to test continuity. An open circuit indicates a faulty sensor. Addressing these issues early can prevent unnecessary trips to the mechanic. If the hood and door sensors are not the issue, the problem might be with your key fob. Try resetting it by cycling the body control module, BCM. Lock and unlock the doors manually using the key. If problems persist, the key fob might need reprogramming, which can be done using an OBD2 tool or by a Ford dealer. For newer Mustangs, 2018 plus, Ford released updated firmware to recalibrate sensors, addressing false alarms. Check the body control module, BCM, for corrosion, which is a known cause of persistent alarms, especially in older models. Advanced diagnostics might involve using apps like Torque Pro or Ford's IDS software to scan for BCM errors. Remember, DIY fixes are often successful, but consulting a professional mechanic is advisable for complex or persistent issues.